Sanjaya is asking, what can you recommend if there is a need to renovate where a negative star resides? Then you remedy it. It's not great. You can remedy with the permanent salt cure. You can remedy with metal. It doesn't even have to be a wind chime. It can be any metal, right? But with that said, I would compensate with spiritual tools as well, right? Again, asking for angelic assistance so that not too much negative energy is being triggered. You know, doing your visualization on the house. Date selection is actually really important. That's one way to do it, because just like how every year there are directions that you shouldn't renovate, every month and every day there are directions that you shouldn't renovate as well. So if you have access to a properly trained date selection practitioner, then do that. And then you start your renovation on a good day. Okay? But still do the remedies and do the inner feng shui. I'm not saying just do the date selection. You still want to remedy as best as possible.